This is the view from the Union side, opposite the east angle. So again, if the horseshoe was in plan, this is looking at the top right corner from the Union position, with the bloody angle, the top left of the horseshoe to the right. This is the Union tree line. And just looking as an observational point, the ground level here is low enough that, apart from to some part of the east angle, you're actually invisible. So it would have given some protection. So again, it's the Union lines facing the east angle. Another point to consider, apart from having to cover about 300 metres, it was pouring with rain and the ground was sodden wet, thick with mud. So as well as having to climb through mud, there was the constant barrage of artillery and musket fire. And don't forget, with artillery, you're not talking one large cannonball, you're talking something like a shotgun cartridge, only a lot bigger, being fired at close range into masses, thousands of men. This is the Union tree line opposite bloody angle. So this is more or less the view the Union troops had. The two monuments to the right are on the bloody angle. So in that tree line were the Confederate troops and artillery, and in between this position and that line there's a dip in the ground. It's about 80 metres, and it would have been wet, pouring with rain, completely open, and after a few minutes full of dead and dying people. Okay, the ground here opposite bloody angle, so this is about halfway. That's the tree line where the Union troops started, which again, which might not be visible in the camera. There is a slope up to this position, so this is a high point. This is the larger battlefield area. This is the monument to the Union troops that fell. And then coming around to bloody angle, the ground dips slightly before rising again up to the bloody angle itself. So from this point onwards, you're basically open to fire from the entire length of the bloody angle position.